BioMax large surface area provides optimal biological activity. Promotes ammonia and nitrite reduction. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 30 power filter. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 30 gallons. Includes one insert of AquaClear BioMax. AquaClear 30 BioMax is replacement filter media for the AquaClear 30 power filter. AquaClear 30 BioMax provides an optimal environment for the colonization and growth of biological activity, which is essential for effective biological filtration and water purification. BioMax's complex bio-ring pore structure allows beneficial, toxin-reducing biological activity to thrive. By reducing toxins such as ammonia and nitrite, BioMax effectively increases biological filtration efficiency by 30%. BioMax comes in a mesh bag for quick and easy installation. Exclusively designed for the AquaClear 30 power filter, BioMax is suitable for fresh and saltwater aquariums. AquaClear creates a wide variety of products for freshwater tanks such as fish tank accessories, fish tank decorations, and aquarium filter media that is perfect for large and small fish tanks. Top reviews from the United States. Instead of charcoal. I use this in my 10-gallon betta tank instead of an active charcoal filter. It works perfectly. I do a 25% water change once a week, and rinse these off in the dirty water, never tap water. I put new in every 3 months. Water is clear, fish is happy and healthy.